Good morning. We are presenting our manuscript titled Mechanical Characterization and Analysis of Tensile Fracture Modes of Ultrasonically Stir-Cast Aluminium 6082 Composites reinforced with copper powder premixed Metakaolin particles. This manuscript is authored by Dr. Ranjan and Dr. P. Harihara Shaktisudhan. It is a well-known fact that ceramic particles, while reinforced in aluminum composites, will result in reduction in ductility, even though there will be increase in tensile strength and compressive strength, hardness, etc. So, in order to avoid that, these ceramic particles may be premixed with a metallic powder so that the ductility may be retained. From various literature, the author has come to a conclusion that uh, based on the different metallic powder reinforced on aluminum matrix, copper powder is the cheapest compared to other metals such as vanadium, nickel, molybdenum, etc., which has been incorporated in aluminum. Copper is found to be comparatively cheaper and is found to be giving better properties. The author has already worked on composites reinforced with Metakaolin powder and observed that there is a reduction in ductility. So in this particular study, the author has mixed the Metakaolin powder with copper powder, and the mix has been reinforced on the aluminum matrix. So the functionalization, the mixing has been done by initial stirring followed by ball milling, and the premixed powder has been subjected to the aluminum melt, and the composites have been prepared. The details are available in the manuscript. So these are the morphology of the powder. This is metakaolin, this is copper, and the index shows the basic elements present in the powders. So these were the basic tests the authors have conducted: the tensile test, compression test, and the micro hardness test. These are the basic composition of the samples used. So the details are available in the manuscript. So the optical micrographs of the cross section of the prepared samples are available. The same image of the cross section of the sample shows the presence of the dispersed reinforcement, and that could be observed from the redacts. The tensile property shows that the composites with metakaolin plus copper particles under ASCAS as well as heat treated conditions possess better properties compared to the composites with single metakaolin particles. So the ductility is the highlight fact. So it is observed that there is a considerable improvement in the ductility. So the tensile fracture modes shows a mixed mode of fracture that includes tear ridges, dimples, and brittle fracture zones. So a good bonding between the powder and the matrix is also observed from the some images. A considerable improvement is observed on the compressive strength as well as the hardness also. From the study, it has been observed that while reinforcing aluminum matrix with copper powder premixed metakaolin would improve ductility along with other properties such as tensile strength, compressive strength, hardness, etc. So the detailed discussion is available in the manuscript. Thank you.